G'day, it's Phil from PT Position here again. Got a Hyundai I30 in for water leaks. This one's a little bit interesting, but not really. But full glass roof. Look at the whole glass roof in here. Had a really bad water leak. It was filling up the boot. Yeah, it's been doing it for ages. Told them to look at it. Anyway, there's no roof, like sunroof drains as per se. Normally a sunroof will have four, two at the front, two at the back. There's no drains in this. It just relies on running over and out of the front and the back of the windscreen. So the back one, we've had to pull the whole roof lining out, right? So the whole roof lining's out of the whole car. It's rusted some of the airbag side curtain stuff and whatever. But what we found, once getting out of there, we found that the roof, this glass roof, is actually like a one-piece kit that you buy. It's a whole roof sheet, right? It's plastic and got all the glass and everything in it. We found that it was cracked, and these back corners, like, 3 inches. So I ended up pulling up the strip. This unclips, it might break, but it's got clips, 4 clips that hold it in, and a couple of others. I've had the glue. Some of the clips have worked and some of them haven't, but glued it back in place. There's a big crack across in here on both sides in the corners. I don't know if you can see it up in there. So I've sickered it. So all the way across here from one side to the other, right? So I've glued it with a sicker product, which is fine. I've done it on both sides, on that corner there as well. So we've let that sit for a day, dried, and then we've retested it, and then we've retested it and found that it's actually split in the front too. So pull it back out, you can actually see the crack here in this one. There's that crack there in that corner. Same on the other side. It's a bit more difficult to get into it up in this front corner, but you can get up in there if you go. I don't know if you can see that through there, that crack. Yeah, the crack there. See the light coming through? Right. It's on the same side, on the other side as well, but anyhow. So I'm just gonna glue these and let that set. So if you've got one of these Hyundai I30, easy, quick check, pull the sunroof back and just have a look in these corners here and see if you've got a crack. If you've got a crack, that's where a leak is definitely going to come from. The back one, you can't see it. Right? You simply can't see it, but you'll be having water go into the spare wheel hole and in the boot, and maybe, well, this one's going onto the carpet of the rear. Anyway, I30.